Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin, predict what's going to happen. Facebook pumped 18%. If you followed my videos yesterday, we bought a lot of which is beautiful. Coinbase, I also bought today. You can see all my live trades down there on the join button. The stock market having a big rebound, altcoins having a big rebound, and a lot of volume is starting to come into Bitcoin. This is good. If we can keep this up, we can get back into a bull run. This is the moment that's super important. If Bitcoin breaks down here, it's very bad. The attitude, the feelings of people will go into very depression mode and a bear market. But if we can get a strong rebound here, we could have really a resurgence of FOMO, of bull market. That's a beautiful thing. Also, Fame, the token I told you about a few weeks ago, it's Fame MMA. They're merging crypto and MMA. You need to pay attention to this. They're launching on OKX tomorrow. I invested in this project and I'm very bullish about this. You can go onto Twitter, Fame MMA, or just check it out. The concept of merging merging MMA with crypto. So you have your own NFTs. There's going to be tickets. They're going to do a lot of cool stuff with Fame MMA token. Hit the subscribe button. Join 73,000 people. Smash up thumbs up button. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going to the technicals. And Bitcoin is having a big rebound right now, which is beautiful. Unfortunately, look at this. If you followed my video earlier today, it came down and exactly hit my stop loss, like right to the freaking, like little bit underneath. It was about $30 hitting my stop loss. Unfortunately, it closed my long position on Bitcoin. This is the 4-hourly chart. So you're watching Bitcoin move over time here on the 4-hourly charts. And if you zoom out, you can see that for the last months, since January, we've been moving on Bitcoin from this channel from 40,000 to 35,000. It's been within this channel and it came down, it broke underneath it, but it's back into the channel right now, which is beautiful. And we have huge volume coming in. Look at this volume that came in right now. It's looking very bullish in that fact. My trade opened pretty much exactly where we are, but it wicked down and closed it. Exactly hitting my stop loss. I should have put it a bit lower, the stop loss actually. But why this is good is we also broke out of a giant descending triangle here. You can see this triangle, a descending triangle. The way these work, as I teach in the Crypto Master Course, the link in the description, they build pressure and they usually break towards the upside. We also have stochastic heading up very strongly. We have volume coming in. This is looking really bullish for Bitcoin on these things. Let's look closer. So stochastic is heading up, more to go. RSI is heading up, more to go. MACD is also heading up, turning up. This is looking bullish on the 4-hourly now. And the EMA ribbons, we are through the EMA ribbons. We got rejected hard, but we're back in them, which is really good. The stock market also having a big rebound, which is amazing. There's a lot of support underneath where we are now. The big resistance is the $40,500 mark. Crypto Guru Bot still fired a sell. It hasn't fired a buy yet. Bitcoin Indicator Bot, though, has fired the buy, which is good. Good news. The super trend is also it's flattening. The sell pressure is flattening, which is a good sign on the super trend kind of thing. Let's go into the hourly. On the hourly, a lot of volume came in. Look at this buy. Someone bought heaps of Bitcoin. It started coming down. It hit my stop loss. Then there was a massive buy for Bitcoin on that hour. Someone bought 25,500 Bitcoin in that hour. That shot it up. And now we've created this W formation, which is very bullish. The big resistance now comes on Bitcoin here at 40,500. This is the big area of resistance. If you can break through, very bullish. RSI is still heading up. Stochastic overbought, so in the short term could pull back. MACD still heading up. So I'm going bullish here. If we can close, we already closed the candle above this. If we can close the 4-hourly above this downward trend line, this will be super bullish for Bitcoin. So it's closing in 1 hour and 10 minutes. If we get a close above this in 1 hour and 10 minutes, I will re-go long the same trade that I did earlier that had that stop loss, but I'll make the stop loss a little bit lower. I'm going to bring the stop loss down beneath this strong support. So I'll put the stop loss. So this trade will open at 40,135 where we're sitting right now. The take profit will be $50,000 and the stop loss will be at $37,900. This gives me a 5.5 ratio trade. I'm risking $1,800 to make $10,000 unleveraged. 10x leverage will be $100,000. So I'm going to show you that trade. Also, if you want to trade like you're going to see me do, underneath this video, you can sign up to Bybit. That's the main exchange that I use, the main trading software. Underneath in the description, pin comment, go down below, sign up to Bybit. You get $4,600 of bonuses when you sign up to Bybit. And anyone that signs up to Bybit for the next 2 weeks goes in the chance to win 1,000 Dogecoin, which is also $1,000 of Dogecoin. So if you go down, sign up to Bybit, you get 4,600 bonuses, but you have to deposit Bitcoin. This will give you this trading software. This is the one I'm using. I've got $210,243 in here. It dropped about a few $1,000s, but it bounced back on Bitcoin. I've got $100,006 in cash. I've got USD. I've got one Bitcoin, which is up 3% now, which is beautiful. I've got Bit, which I bought around $30,000 a bit. It's almost break even. So I'm mainly in cash at the moment, but I did buy Bit. I did buy Bitcoin. and my Bitcoin long closed out, unfortunately, but I'm going to go long again on Bitcoin with that new trade. So I'm going to open a trade right now on Bitcoin because there's also a lot of buying happening. So the trade will open now. Stop loss will be 37,000 underneath this support. Let's put it underneath here, 37,300, and the take profit 50,000. So I'm going to go long now with $2,000 at the current price, opening a long at the current price, opening long. Confirm that long is now open, and I'm going to put take profit at $50,000 and stop loss at, what did I say, 37,300. 37,300. So I'm risking $1,400 to make $4,800. It's too much risk. So okay, I need to make sure the stop loss triggers earlier then, because it's taking too much of a hit if it drops that much. But that's where the main support is. I need to keep that open. So that will be my stop loss, 37,300, and take profit will be 50,000. So I'm risking 1,400 to make $4,800. Confirming this trade. That trade is now open. My Bitcoin long is open. I'm also going to look at CRV. CRV I think can go for a big run if Bitcoin strong. And look at Facebook, up 18%. If you followed my videos yesterday, I literally have been buying Facebook down here, and we're up 20%. I have a huge amount of Facebook, which is beautiful. The big resistance for Facebook is at $230. So this has more to run on amazing earnings. I also today bought Coinbase. I bought a lot of Coinbase today on that big drop. Coinbase dropped down massively. I bought the bottom exactly, actually. If you followed my live trades, I bought down here on Coinbase, 115 around, and now we're back at 124, and that looks like a very capitulation wick. There was a big capitulation wick and a big wick up. That's very bullish for Coinbase. Now, I'm buying Coinbase because they have amazing fundamentals. Like, they're making so much money. Coinbase is the publicly traded American company. They're 27 billion market cap with $8.28 price to earnings ratio. And last quarter, they made $2.5 billion in 3-month period of profits, of turnover, 2.5 billion, and almost 900 million of profits, 34% profit margin. So that's amazing. So I bought a lot of Coinbase. I want to be buying CRV as well, but CRV can pull back more. But if Bitcoin starts heading up, then we've got a lot of bullishness. Let's see what this is creating. There's this big pattern that's playing out here, and we have this smaller pattern that's creating a symmetrical triangle here. So we've got this big kind of symmetrical triangle here, and these usually build pressure, and at 70% of the movement break out to a direction usually, and this looks like a reversal. We've got a double bottom here, or even a triple bottom here. So this looks like a reversal pattern for CRV. CRV is a very powerful protocol. And also, if you zoom in, we've got this smaller symmetrical triangle that's playing out here. Everyone see this? And you learn technical analysis in my crypto course. The link is in the description and pinned comment. So I think CRV is also going to have a big movement if it breaks to the upside. That will target of $3.50. So I'm going to be buying... I'll buy $10,000 of CRV here and start laddering into CRV. So I'm going to do that now. Go into spot. I'm going to buy CRV, because this protocol has its market cap is around $1 billion. So I'm going to buy $10,000 of CRV at current price, but it's got total value locked almost $20 billion TVL. So I just bought CRV, which is beautiful. So those are my trades. I'm going to show you some. So again, if you want to trade using Bybit, down below in the description, pin comment, sign up to Bybit. You get 4,600 USD when you sign up. This was also the revenues. This is why I bought Coinbase. That revenue of 2.5 billion in the last quarter with 855 million profits. Last year they made revenue of 7.8 billion last year in 2021 with 3 billion profit net income, so 39% profit margin. That's amazing. And right now it's a $27 billion market cap, 8 ratio P to E. So I think it's amazing. Also, the Nasdaq bounced off a very important support line, which is beautiful. I bought the blood round 2. I'm laddering into Coin can drop more, so I'm laddering in. So that's where I bought more Coinbase. Also, Facebook up 18% since I bought it yesterday. We're going to be releasing something epic with our NFTs. This is a cool car. I wonder if you can guess which car this is. And this wrapping, pay attention to Magicraft. Man, you called it on Facebook. Yes, I did, which is beautiful. And that's the main thing. We've also got some merchandise coming out that they're designing, which is awesome. This is one of the characters. We are hiring some voiceover artists for the channel. James is like the Terminator. I swear this man never sleeps, so he can bring us great content. Thank you all for watching. This is the HUD from Magicraft game. This is what some of the designs look like for inside the game, which is going to be epic. Thank you for watching, everyone. I hope you have an amazing day. That's my update on Bitcoin. Hit the subscribe button. Join 73,000 people. Smash up the thumbs up button. This is James from Crypto Guru, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.